step into the Jeep 2018 Wrangler JK Unlimited Rubicon. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: sunroof soft top, 8 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, audio jack input for mobile devices, CD player, radio data system, radio, 130, air conditioning and power steering. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.